Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to fix solo victory cup not showing in Fortnite. It's very easy and simple. All you have to do is to follow my steps, and before we begin, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and turn on the notifications. First, after opening this lobby right here, make sure that you have the normal battle royale lobby, because if you enter this lobby you may not find the same option. So go to any battle royale lobby, then click on compete option, then scroll till you find solo victory cup as you can see here, then click on event details, click on tournament details, and make sure that you have these criteria here as you can see, or wait till the time of the event starts in your country according to your country time zone. And in order to check the criteria or the requirements for the cup, you can read these things right here, you can read these details, and that's all. And you can do the same thing for any event in Fortnite. I hope this video is useful to you all. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.